Hey guys, it's Dawn here. We're gonna play with squishy sand. Here we go, and found yellow. I found a yellow lizard. Let's see what I can do. Okay. Look. I can do stretch. I found a green. It can stretch too. His arms, his legs, tail. Mr. Tail. This isn't Mr. Tail. Oh, I found a blue. Stretch it out too. Head. We are still looking for it. What else can I find? I think it's gonna be all the same. I found a pink lizard. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.